Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology Channel. Which technique uses a charged gel matrix to separate DNA fragments based on size? A. ELISA, B. PCR, C. Gel electrophoresis, D. Autoradiography. Correct answer is C. Gel electrophoresis. Explanation: in gel electrophoresis, DNA fragments are separated by size through an agarose gel under an electric field. Smaller fragments move faster. PCR amplifies DNA. ELISA detects proteins or antigens. Autoradiography detects radioactively labeled molecules. Which enzyme is used to join DNA fragments together in biotechnology? Correct answer is C. DNA ligase. Explanation: DNA ligase seals nicks in DNA by forming phosphodiester bonds between adjacent nucleotides, joining DNA fragments. Restriction enzymes cut DNA. Polymerase replicate it. Helicase unwinds DNA. What is the main role of insulin in the body? A. Increase blood glucose. B. Stimulate glycogen breakdown. C. Stimulate glucose uptake and reduce blood sugar. D. Stimulate gluconeogenesis. Correct answer is C. Stimulate glucose uptake and reduce blood sugar. Explanation: insulin promotes glucose uptake by cells, especially in muscle and fat, and helps store it as glycogen, thus lowering blood glucose levels. Options A, B, and D describe the action of glucagon or cortisol, not insulin. Which part of the human brain controls respiration? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Thalamus. Correct answer is C. Medulla oblongata. Explanation: the medulla oblongata, part of the hindbrain, regulates vital autonomic functions like respiration, heartbeat, and blood pressure. Cerebrum handles voluntary activities. Cerebellum maintains balance. Thalamus relays sensory signals. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of monocot stem anatomy? A. Open vascular bundles. B. Vascular bundles arranged in a ring. C. Presence of cambium. D. Scattered vascular bundles. Correct answer is D. Scattered vascular bundles. Explanation: monocot stems have vascular bundles scattered throughout the ground tissue. Dicot stems have ring-arranged, open vascular bundles with cambium for secondary growth. Which hormone stimulates the production of milk after childbirth? A. Oxytocin, B. Prolactin, C. Estrogen, D. Progesterone. Correct answer is B. Prolactin. Explanation: prolactin, secreted by the anterior pituitary, stimulates milk production in mammary glands post-delivery. Oxytocin helps in milk ejection, letdown reflex. Estrogen and progesterone prepare the breasts during pregnancy, but inhibit lactation until delivery. Which process involves the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma of a different plant of the same species? A. Autogamy. B. Xenogamy. C. Xenogamy. D. Cleistogamy. Correct answer is C. Xenogamy. Explanation: Xenogamy is true cross-pollination between different plants of the same species. Autogamy, self-pollination within same flower. Xenogamy, pollination between different flowers on same plant. Cleistogamy, self-pollination in closed flowers. What is the function of Sertoli cells in testes? A. Secrete testosterone. B. Form blood-testis barrier. C. Stimulate LH release. D. Form Graafian follicle. Correct answer is B. Form blood-testis barrier. Explanation: Sertoli cells provide nourishment to developing sperms, secrete inhibin, and form the blood-testis barrier. Leydig cells secrete testosterone. LH is released from the pituitary. Graafian follicle is part of the ovary, not testis. Which among the following is a sexually transmitted disease caused by a bacterium? A. Genital herpes. B. Gonorrhea. C. HIV/AIDS. D. Warts. Correct answer is B. Gonorrhea. Explanation: Gonorrhea is caused by the bacterium Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Genital herpes: it is a viral disease caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV. HIV/AIDS: it is also a viral disease caused by human immunodeficiency virus. Warts, caused by HPV: it is also a viral caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. Which of the following statements is true regarding Darwin's theory of natural selection? A. Acquired characters are inherited. B. All variations are harmful. C. Individuals with favorable variations survive and reproduce. D. Evolution occurs due to sudden mutations only. Correct answer is C. Individuals with favorable variations survive and reproduce. Explanation: Darwin's natural selection emphasizes that beneficial traits improve survival and reproduction, increasing their frequency over generations. Acquired traits are Lamarckian. Not all variations are harmful. Sudden mutations are a concept from mutation theory, not Darwinism.